Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Do you want to migrate Windows Live Mailbox into Office 365 account? If yes, watch this few minutes video specially designed for Windows Live Mail to Office 365 migration. Let's start by downloading the 4 and 6 Email Forensics Wizard on Windows supportive system. Now, run the application and open it. As you see, this utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. First, go to the Open tab and select Windows Live Mail. Now, check Windows Live Mail account if you have Windows Live Mail application running on your machine. Otherwise, choose Folder option to upload emails without Windows Live Mail installation on your system. Wait as the software is analyzing the Windows Live Mail mailboxes. The tool lists the Windows Live Mail folders in the software interface. Here, click on the Windows Live Mail mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you see now, all the emails in the Windows Live Mail folder are listed one by one. Next, click on the desired email to view in the software panel. This way, you can preview the Windows Live Mail emails with all the elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. This famous application also allows you to save Windows Live Mail folder into multiple saving options. Moreover, you can extract phone numbers, email addresses, from the Windows Live Mail mailbox. So, let's click on the Export tab and select Office 365. Now, please select the desired Windows Live Mail mailbox and deselect the rest folders. As you see, there are multiple options available in the software panel. So, let's first understand them, and it is up to you whether you want to enable the option. The first one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next is include email header. We recommend that you disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last one is appended to default folders. This option is basically for the mapping of the folders such as inbox to inbox, sent to send, and more. It allows users to insert emails into default mail folders. Now, enter the name of the folder that you want to create an Office 365 account containing Windows Live Mail emails in the Backup Folder Name tab. Then, fill the email address of your Office 365 account and password. After all, click on the Save button to start the process of Windows Live Mail to Office 365 migration. The utility provides live migration in the software panel, as you can see. Now, wait for a while. Later, the message appears on your screen, declaring that the process to migrate from Windows Live Mail to Office 365 is completed successfully. The demo edition of the software allows you to export only 10 items from Windows Live Mail folder to Office 365 account. Click on the OK button. Finally, go to your Office 365 Mail account. You will see a folder named as exported. Tap on it and get the Windows Live Mail emails with all the properties.